Everyone, you're welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how I make my stretch mark cream. Now this video is highly requested on my DM, so I felt, you know what, let me just do it. Now again, I make them for sale, so in case you don't want to go through all this stress, you can just send me a DM and I will send you across to you. So yeah, let's jump right into the materials, the product you use. Funny enough, I have already shot this video but I lost the clip, so we just have to, most of the oils I used are quite exhausted, are really exhausted, so bear with me. I will just put the names out. I don't have all the oils here because I already made them. I hope you understand. Okay, first and first, you're gonna need your shea butter, which is very important. So I'm gonna start with butter. So you're gonna need your shea butter. Next is your mango butter. These butters are very good. Then almond butter too, very good. Then you have your cocoa butter, like I said, then this is your python oil. They look really disgusting, but they do magic. So you're gonna need it. Emulsifying wax. Now this is to hold the water and the oils together. I don't know if you understand it, but this in case. So, and this is my aloe vera juice. I'm going to add my aloe vera juice to this. This is aloe vera juice, really good. Then next is my jojoba oil. This is really good for stretch mark too. Now let's not forget my bio oil, very good for stretch mark. Okay, then you have your coconut oil, really good. I do add my clove oil too, my mustard oil, eucalyptus oil, frankincense oil, lavender oil, lang lang oil. I don't know if I pronounce this correctly, but yes, lang lang oil is really good for stretch mark too. Carrot oil, rose hip oil. This oil is great for scars. Argan oil. Now this miracle powder, I add it to every shea butter and carrot cream that I do make. It's really good. It's great for stretch mark, for pimples, for dark spots. It's really good. Like this, and they don't pay me, so I pay that back or whatever. I'm just telling you how effective it is. So when you add it to your product, it's good. So that's pretty much what I do. Now the ones that are not here that but I added it to the product are olive oil. They are very good. Tea tree oil are very good to the oil, so I added it to it. So I've exhausted them, so I don't have any to show you, but if you're making yours, please don't forget to add tea tree oil and olive oil to it. So yeah, that's it. Let's jump right into the next video. Okay, this is everything all double boiled together. So I'm going to be adding my water, my rose water to it and stir it. Okay, so I'll be adding herbal skin doctor. This is very good for stretch mark. As you can see here, it's written here that it helps stimulate metabolism of collagen and elastic fiber, helps to regenerate, reduction and preservation of stretch marks. So I'll be adding this, I'll be breaking this into our mixture here. So I'll be adding the whole of this into and I'll give it a stir. Then I'll regroup, then I'll mix them together.